Big dreams require big space. This time, I think we overdid it. Just before the summer, we went and purchased this box, and we soon found out that we couldn't really fit it in our current offices. We've been for a long time longing a proper industrial space, so this was the excuse we needed to finally get a proper space.
So this is our climate test chamber, so we can control the humidity and the temperature. It's 1/2 meter by 1/2 meter by 1/2 meter, I think. You see here, it's a grommet that we can put cabling through to keep it tight. The design of the handles is a bit clunky. Like you see, you can't really shut it. You have to open it up for it to go around and then shut down. But when it's locked, it's locked. Water with proper cable harnessing. It's a bit optional how you want to cable it. See, yeah. So we probably have to fix our own cabling. It's how much did it say? It's like 20 amps at 220, so 4.5 kilowatts. So it's quite beefy. I'm not even sure if our circuits can handle it. So, well, we'll find out. It's really cool, and we'll go through more of it when we turn it on in another video. Then we go through a bit of the specs of it as well, and what we figure out.
Now we have moved most of our equipment into the new space. We have placed it strategically around, more or less how we're going to use it. In this area, we're going to use for RF testing. We have some RF equipment here, and we're also building out more capabilities, but mostly it's going to be for over-the-air measurements that require a bit of space. In this area, we're going to do our electronics manufacturing. Our lab at the old office is going to be a pure R&D space, while this is going to be a pure manufacturing space. So here we have our pick-and-place machine, and we're going to set up with a reflow oven. And additionally, we're going to do our thermal testing, as this also requires a bit of space. For this large new facility, we have some large new equipment currently on the way, and we will show it in a future video. We'll show you all the details once we get everything settled in. If there's something in particular you want to see, let us know in the comments, and we'll make sure to show it to you. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next one.